Hi, in this video we can see that how we can start the Spring Boot application using the CMD. So now first of all we said currently project is not started. I open the CMD command and MVN clean. First I entered. Now project is clean and second step is MVN install. So using that it is create one jar file. Now see here we can see one directory target created and move on target file, and here so one jar file practice. This jar file will start. For that jar Java jar practice. Now so here application successfully started, 8090 port number, and now we fetch record using Postman. Now it's working. So using CMD we can start the manually write the command java and dash jar and jar file which is available in target folder. So that's way we can also start the application using CMD.